So first thing first, today we are going to make caramel, and so first step first, you put your sugar in the sufuria and then you start heating. Have you ever fried sugar? This is how sugar is being fried. Let me switch. Yeah, this is a very delicate point. It should be keen so that your sugar doesn't burn beyond the required texture. See that? Margarine, blue band. So I'm going to use 2 spoons. Yeah. Mix them thoroughly together. Make sure that the blue band or your margarine has melted and mixed thoroughly with it. Can you see the bubbles? Do you hear that bubble sound? If you taste this right now, it actually tastes like, and it's very sweet, because this is just sugar and margarine basically. By the way, you can use caramel to eat with bread. You can smear on your bread the way you use blue band. Yeah, you can use caramel on bread for breakfast. You can use caramel to make your popcorn the same way I'll show you at the end how we make our caramel popcorn. When it reaches at this point, there's one trick that we do. We add milk gradually, kidogo kidogo, as you mix, so that it doesn't exceed your required texture, the texture that you want. Sawa? At this stage, you have to be keen, because here caramel can easily or can instantly turn from perfect to burn. So because this is the texture of caramel and this is the color of caramel. So can you see it burning, or is it boiling? And there we have it, guys. A poor man's caramel that tastes expensive. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Do you see that? Do you see that? This caramel. So guys, when your caramel is ready and you already prepared your popcorn, this is how we make caramel popcorn. You spread your caramel on top. And then so after this, we just turn it gently, slowly, so that you don't break your popcorns also. Just slowly. See, I'm doing my cooking stick. Just slowly. Let's do this. There we have it, guys, our caramel popcorn made at home. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Check me next on our next episode. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, like and comment. Tell me where you are, where you are watching in the comment section. Bye bye.
Yeah, popcorn maker, caramel maker, popcorn caramel maker.
Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe.